With latest market news, I'm Uliana. Asian stocks scaled two-year highs on Thursday following the positive cues overnight from Wall Street after the US Federal Reserve May meeting minutes indicated an unwinding of its balance sheet likely towards year-end. Investors are also looking ahead to an OPEC meeting later in the day, which is expected to extend output cuts. The Nikkei 225 gained 0.5%, while South Korea's benchmark Kospi index climbed 1%. Australia's S&P ASX 200 edged up 0.2%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index and the Shanghai Composite jumped 0.9% and 1.5% respectively. Overnight, US stocks closed higher for a fifth straight day Wednesday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.36%. The S&P 500 closed in record territory, up 0.25%, while the Nasdaq Composite closed 0.4% higher. The dollar held weaker in Asia on Thursday as the US Federal Reserve signaled a cautious approach to future rate hikes and the reduction of its $4.5 trillion of bond holdings. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against the trade-weighted basket of six major currencies, fell 0.07% to 96.88. The euro traded up 0.16% in Asia at $1.1236, having bounced back from Wednesday's low of $1.1168. Australian dollar US dollar eased 0.08% to 0.7500, while US dollar Japanese yen changed hands at 111.68, up 0.16%. The US dollar dropped to 1 month's low against its Canadian counterpart on Wednesday as the Bank of Canada left interest rates unchanged and after the release of downbeat US housing sector data. The Canadian dollar strengthened to a 5-week high of 1.3403 Canadian dollars per US dollar after the Bank of Canada was more upbeat about the economy than some investors had expected. The loonie was also higher against the euro. In a widely expected move, the Bank of Canada kept the benchmark interest rate unchanged at 0.50%. At the same time, the US National Association of Realtors said existing home sales decreased 2.3% to 5.57 million units last month from 5.70 million in March. Analysts had expected existing home sales to fall 1.1% to 5.65 million units in April. It was the latest market news spread by ICO FX. Goodbye.